If you've seen even a single cockroach in your kitchen, don't wait another second. It's a clear sign that the nest hidden inside your walls has become overcrowded, forcing them to come out in search of new places. Cockroaches spread all kinds of bacteria throughout your home, so you need to get rid of them immediately. Today, I'll show you 2 incredibly effective methods that attack the problem at its source and cost almost nothing. Stay until the end because one simple ingredient can wipe out the entire nest once and for all. The first step is to drive cockroaches out of their hiding places while destroying the scent trails they rely on. Pour equal parts warm water and white vinegar into a bowl, then add the secret ingredient, 1 tablespoon of ground cloves. Let the mixture sit for a few hours so the cloves can release their powerful essential oils. After that, strain the liquid thoroughly and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray all the critical areas behind the refrigerator, under the sink, and around water pipes. Cockroaches communicate and navigate by following chemical trails left in their droppings, and the combination of vinegar and the strong aroma of cloves helps eliminate those invisible scent trails. Without them, they become disoriented, lose their way, and abandon their hiding places. Now that we've driven them into the open, it's time to eliminate the entire colony hidden behind your walls. The first ingredient is a plain cookie, which will grind into fine crumbs. Crushed cookies have an irresistible scent that attracts cockroaches faster than many store-bought poisons. While I do that, let me know in the comments if you've ever had a cockroach problem and how you managed to get rid of them. Pour the cookie crumbs into a bowl. Now comes the most important ingredient. Add 1 tablespoon of borax and mix everything thoroughly. Place this bait in a hidden spot, under the sink or behind the trash can. After the cockroaches eat it, they return deep into their nest before they die. This is where their biology works against them. Cockroaches are cannibals and regularly feed on dead members of their own colony. As they consume the poisoned cockroaches, the borax spreads throughout the rest of the nest, creating an unstoppable domino effect that wipes out the entire colony from the inside. You should start seeing results within just a few days. If you want more brilliant, proven household tricks that actually work, subscribe to the channel. It's completely free. See you in the next video.